data. So then what happens here, I'm going to create it with a name with a string extension, and second thing is email with a string extension, and status. Okay, this is the data class. And now what we're going to do here is, and you can imagine we have to create a next step to have to create what, one adapter class for RecycleView. Okay, then what we do, we created a constructor, and RecyclerView.adapter, we need to create a view model class. So generic view model, good, we have created that. But we're going to create inside of this RecycleView adapter. That's it. Okay guys, so for this class we going to create one constructor with the data binding. What is our data binding class? View data binding. What we do, recycler view dot view holder, binding dot root. I will explain you everything, just be with the patience. Okay, I'm going to create one function here called bind. In this I'm providing a constructor of our view model class, and position. Okay, we will keep this class for a moment away, and after that we going to provide the data in this constructor. So what kind of data we going to provide here? So for any recycler view we have to provide a one list view item. So we need to layout resource provide, we have to layout resource layout id of int type, and what we are getting a data, right? So another is data, which the type of is array type, sorry, array list of what we have created, this recycler data. Okay, and third thing is we are providing view model. View model into main view model. That's it. So we are getting the data from the constructor of a main adapter. So then what we have to do, we have to initialize this data to the local variables. Got it? So for that purpose, otherwise we can directly call it, no worries, no need this, we can directly use it. And so we got a layout reference id. So then what we do, we need to inflate the layout inside of this recycler view adapter. For this purpose we are calling as layout inflator, sorry, layout inflator, from where sorry guys, sometimes it happens. And after that we need to make it data binding inside of the this recycler view item also. Then only we can directly set the data to the recycler view, and we can directly get the data to from the recycler view without calling find view by id, set text, get text. So these such type of things we don't do in data binding. Just listen carefully and watch carefully. This is very helpful to you guys who are interested in data binding, who want to reduce their code. It will be very useful. And sorry, why I'm using colon every time? Data, sorry, data binding dot inflate. So, view data binding, and after that we have to provide this layout inflator and view type and the parent view group, and attached to the parent false. So done so far. Now what we do, we need to make it a return type with generic view model of what binding. Okay, so on non-create view holder we inflated the layout with the generic view holder class. So we got the data, sorry, we got the view data binding here with a binding reference. We going to use it to set the data to the element. How it is going to happen, you will going to see in a short time. Just be in, just wait. And for the get count, you know, everybody what we normally do, return data dot size. Okay, on bind view holder, what we going to do here, directly we going to set folder folder dot bind view model we need. Oh, so we are getting this view model in a constructor, so directly we are calling view model. And next position is position. So guys, it is not accepting directly. Got it. Everybody makes small mistakes, you guys know that. And we going to override one more function, that is get item view type. Get item view type. So what it returns, we don't, so what we do, get we directly gives here layout id. Okay, we are getting from here. Sorry, we need to provide var here. Sorry. Okay, done. Okay, everything is ready guys. Now we need to create one XML file for the item purpose. So I'm going to create it. Recycle item. Now I'm going to show you now with a one text view only. match parent, wrap content, text color will be black, text size will be 15 dp, 15 sp, sorry. We're going to increase this padding a little bit more. Okay, done. Text size will be like that only, 20. This is just for an example purpose, guys. Okay, done. So normally what we do for an element also, we're going to call directly this id instead of an activity, sorry, instead of an adapter, but we are not going to do this here. Okay, for that purpose also, what we do, what we early did is, we have to wrap it with the data binding. Got it? First of all, layout, and after that data, after that variable name is item view model main view model. Got it? We are calling, just remember, we are calling same view model in activity xml also, as well as item xml also. Wherever you want to call the view model, you can directly call it. No need to worry about that. Whenever you want to attach the multiple views to the single view model, then you going to call this view model to all those xmls. I will show you in coming videos how to do. What I am saying is what I said previously, how to do that. For example, in that scenario, what scenario we going to use the same view model in a multiple layout XMLs. For example, we have a single activity, but we need to maintain a multiple fragments. Okay, then normally what to do, every fragment has their own fragment class, and activity has a activity class. So uh, what we do generally, we normally do this entire stuff writes in a fragment class, but here no need to worry about those things. We can directly write the logic whatever, or you can directly bind with the main view model whichever you mention in a xml. Okay, so whenever you change the fragments and come back and go front and back, whatever it you do, but data will be remain same. Whenever the data changes, automatically it updates the xml. Okay, end of this video I will explain you what view model really does. Okay, I will, in this video I will explain this, and future videos I will practically show you how view model exactly works and how data binding will help to make a better code. Okay, let's start. Here we are.